Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a file for paper. First, understand that an effective filing system is crucial for managing your documents efficiently. Begin by gathering all your necessary supplies, such as sturdy folders, clear labels, and a suitable filing cabinet or box. Next, decide on a categorization method that makes sense for your specific needs, ensuring easy retrieval of any document. Now let's build your system. You can choose from several common methods, including alphabetical, chronological, or subject-based filing, depending on what works best for you. Once you've chosen, establish your main categories, then break them down into more specific subcategories. Remember to label each folder clearly and consistently, perhaps using a label maker for a professional look. Maintaining your system is key to its success. Make it a habit to file new documents as soon as they arrive, preventing clutter from building up. Set aside time regularly, perhaps once a month, to review your existing files and purge any outdated or unnecessary papers. A simple-to-be-filed tray can also be helpful for temporary storage before permanent filing. For even greater efficiency, consider digitizing your most important documents. This provides a secure backup and allows for quick digital searches. Another helpful tip is to use color-coded folders. For example, blue for financial documents and red for medical records, offering instant visual organization. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.